What is a joint tenants with rights to survivorship? It allows your property to avoid the probate process when you pass away and pass over to the co-owner. So typically what's going to happen is if you are married to someone, you and your spouse will own it as joint tenants with rights to survivorship. You will each own half of that property. Then when one of you passes away, your half of the property will automatically transfer over to the surviving spouse and they will own 100% of it. It will avoid the probate process. All they have to do is go file a survivorship affidavit and your death certificate, and then the county clerk's office will process that document and transfer ownership out of the deceased name into the surviving spouse's name. So it's an easy way to set up a house to avoid the probate process so it does not get stuck in the probate process, because if it goes through probate, the property will be frozen and you will not be able to sell it if you need money, because typically what's going to happen is one spouse passes, they lose that income, finances become hard because most people are using all of their income to survive, and then when that income gets cut in half, they need that money. So typically what they're going to need to do is sell that property to move to get into a better financial position, and they won't be able to because that property is frozen in probate, leaving them in a bind. So typically joint tenants rights to survivorship is the easiest way to set it up to avoid the probate process. It's also the cheapest. If you want help setting this up and you use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we will do probate for free. Click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.